All right, quick weekly trading check-in. I'll walk through the trades I made last week and what I'm looking to do this week, as well as the stocks I'm keeping on my radar. Let's get into it. This week, I was a little more active than normal. First, I sold weekly Nvidia puts. The stock still looks cheap to me on a forward PE basis, especially compared to the growth it's posting. I still don't think the market understands the stock or is rewarding its growth. Selling puts was just a way to get paid while staying bullish. Second, I sold SGOV. It's T-bills, which is basically cash with a better yield than your bank account. It's a great place to park cash, but with yields dropping, I wanted the cash for something with a better return, so I pulled out. And third, I bought VDC, the Vanguard Consumer Staples ETF, using the cash from SGOV. Right now, the forward yield is about 5%, which is higher than the yield on SGOV. I normally hate holding cash, but VDC was trading at a forward PE of 22, and I did not want to suffer multiple compression down to 20. As you can see, the 1-year total return is negative 1.5%, and I think I've been very successful in avoiding that while collecting an over 4% yield in the process. All these moves were done to increase the yield on my portfolio. Now, on to the trades I want to make this week. My main focus is on one trade. I'm looking to buy Bitcoin on this dip. It's down about 25% from its highs, and all the chatter about JP Morgan shorting it or whatever is just noise. Bitcoin is volatile. Swings like this are normal. I'm keeping it simple. I'm buying the dip. People always say they want a sale. Well, here it is. This drawdown is the largest we've had in 3 years, and I'm taking advantage of it. That said, I'm not all in yet. I'm hoping it drops lower so I can buy even more at cheaper prices. Now onto the stocks I'm watching, but I'm not buying yet. I'm watching Molina Healthcare and Oscar Health, 2 health insurance stocks. The recent political back and forth during the government shutdown shows just how important health insurance is. You see, I'd love to make sure health insurance is accessible to everyone, and my bet is the ACA enhanced insurance subsidies will eventually be reinstated. My way of giving back? Owning the stocks these subsidies might flow to. Even if the subsidies aren't reinstated, these stocks are so beaten down that the upside looks promising. The tricky part? Just as they got cheap, rumors about a Trump health plan drove the stocks higher. Either someone knows something, which is possible given it's Congress and they definitely insider trade, or the market is overreacting to rumors. I'm waiting for the excitement to dissipate. My hope is that nothing gets done quickly and prices cool off. Then I'll get to buy the stock cheaply, and when the subsidies eventually get reinstated, I'll profit bigly. For now, we wait. Otherwise, outside of watching health insurance news, I'm focused on the jobs report on Friday. I'm looking for signs of a slowdown, but I wouldn't get too worried yet. A big reason is the One Big Beautiful Bill. It lets companies fully depreciate expenses over 1 year instead of the usual 5 to 20. That's pushing companies to accelerate capital spending. And we're already seeing it in big tech. That's a tailwind for the job market. Well, that's the plan for this week. What stories or stocks are you guys watching? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like and join me on Discord. See you there soon. Bye.